I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never out with you. We laugh until we think we'll die together on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free like it's only you and me. Geez, got something to see.
So we just dropped off Scrappy. Hopefully he'll be flying high in the sky soon enough with the other birds. This whole thing got me thinking that sometimes the smallest lives can teach us some of life's biggest truths. In this instance, that mercy and kindness cost us literally nothing, but they can be such a difference maker to other living things. Everything's just out here trying to survive, people included. So be kind and show mercy to other people and all of God's creations when you can.